This is a high-power heat-conducting oil boiler independently developed and manufactured by our company, which is indispensable in the field of industrial manufacturing. Most domestic boiler manufacturers are located in Egg, Henan Province, which has a good reputation as the hometown of boilers. Then, it is 4.2 meters long, 2.3 meters wide and 4 meters high with a dead weight of 6 tons. There are 21-小时 heating groups, and each heating group can be controlled independently with 100 kilowatts. The baking process of the shell is corrosion resistant and beautiful. The electrical components are supplied by domestic first-line brands. The intelligent control system of the boiler is developed and programmed day by day by Chen Gong, a programming engineer of our company. The system module is Siemens